Say hi to Grammy.
Hi, Grammy.
Do you miss her? When do you want to see her again?
Tomorrow.
Oh, really? All right. All right, you want to say goodbye?
Goodbye. Bye.
All right. Yeah.
Where is she?
She's going to watch your video.
Yeah.
Here's Benny. Benny, you want to say hi?
Good morning, Benjamin. Hi. Oh, are you going to do a big roll? Let's see your skills.
No, Parker, let him do it.
Did you take a picture of me? Take a picture.
Okay.
Julia,
Want to show?
woke up this morning.
Want to show Grammy how you dance?
Let's see a spin.
It's a secret.
Parker, spinning around.
Whoa.
Good job, buddy. This is a movie spin. Grammy can see you.
Okay, guys, say goodbye.